You're in the kitchen with Chef Anthony, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to cook rice. Yep, you got it, rice. Now I know you might be saying, oh man, this one's gonna be boring. But you'd be surprised how many people don't know how to correctly make rice. So pay attention. It's real simple and it's real easy. 2 to 1. 2 cups of water, 1 cup of rice. I'll say it again. That's 1 cup of water. That's 2 cups of water. Once we get this water to a boil, we'll add 1 cup of rice to the water. Put a little salt in there. And we'll go straight to the stove. Once we get this water to a boil, we'll add 1 cup of rice. 1 cup of rice. Get you a spoon and stir so it doesn't stick to the pot. Now me, myself, I prefer to use basmati rice over anything else. So what we're gonna do is let that come back to a boil. Put the heat on low, put a top on it, and let it steam until it's done. You got that? Once it starts boiling, turn the heat down to low, put a top on it, and just let it steam until it's finished. So once it comes to a boil, put the top on the rice and turn it down to low. So that's what your rice should look like. Nice and fluffy. I just do a little cilantro on it. You know, I like to eat cilantro with my rice. I don't know about you guys, but yeah. So that concludes your lesson for today on how to cook rice. You're in the kitchen with Chef Anthony. Peace.